Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable Duke locks option on your iPhone lock screen. So you want to do that, simply just have to just follow some steps to do that. Simply just go to the settings section and just go to the clock section. If you don't find a clock section, simply just have to just go to the log app. Sorry for that, just clock app and just tap on that and just go to the world clock section and see that I recently add a Cupertino city, so I want to that time on my lock screen, and now it's gonna dual. So recently I'm currently in Pakistan, so I just add that, and also I want to that New York. So I'm gonna select one that, so I'm gonna select a Cupertino. So I just have to just go back and just have to do that is just go to the lock screen of your iPhone. Simply just go to that interface and you see that there is an option customize. Just tap on that and just tap on lock screen, and you see that there is an three widgets. So you have to just add a widgets and also see that there's a time option and time, and also see that there's an Wednesday 9 July. Just tap on that and the upper portion of here that section and just scroll down, and I want to that coupon city just like that, and just tap on that and just add it, and just go back and you see that there is an option add widgets. Just tap on that and simply just scroll down and just go to the clock section and just see that there's a cappuccino. Just tap on that and now it's add on my widget. Just close it and wait for the second. I'm gonna again close the clock section and just type on that. Oh, that's now added on my lock screen. Just cross it and just done it. And now your lock screen dual clock setup. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.